It's the morning after the piles of snow has been dumped on us. So I got the brush, got the shovel, gonna get right there. Our neighbors are digging themselves out too. Well, my car is completely covered in snow. Let's see what happens after you shovel a bunch of snow off and take off your hat. It's like a pot, steaming pot. Beautiful stream here too. So relaxing, so beautiful. I really miss nature. It's been so cold and we haven't been able to get out for too long outside, so I really miss our hikes and just being outside for a longer time. I hope you're having a good time. Bye. Hi guys, so we're today at annual auto show in Baltimore downtown, me and Daryl. Daryl, hello. So we're gonna take you with us on the tour and see what kind of cool cars we get to put our butts in.
Booties.
And like squish
Booty.
the seat. Let's see what we have. Good old school classics. You can't touch it or sit in it, so we'll just look at it. Should I touch it? Should I touch it? I want to touch it. Nom 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 nom. Guess what this is? Boom! Gold car. Wink wink. I found something to play with. Today, we'd like to propose to you a viewing of Genesis Coupe. And you can twist it around like so. Can you tilt it? No, you cannot. You can choose it in any color, gray, silver. Then we got blue, metallic blue. Beautiful, look at the highlights. Then we have gray. Also very stylish. We have black, a classic black. You can never go wrong with the black color. And then we have white, Casablanca white. Look how beautiful it makes the car. And look, it's only $30,000. Who doesn't have that much money? Thank you so much for previewing today our car. Alright, we're checking out Corvette. Let's get in. Sold. Just get. Oh wait, I had a difficult moment there for a second. Alright, look at that, Pimpy. It was really awesome. Oh, look, they have a spot for my camera right here. It's a pretty cool simulation of a ride. Makes you feel like you're actually driving the Mustang. Of course, we could not go by Jeeps with lifts. Jeep, 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 Jeep. Okay, look at them eyes. Don't be looking at me like that. Smile, smile. Ay, ay, ay. Look, the same eyes. They're all staring at me. Not nice to look like that. That's a bitter look, but I like it. It's a big car. That's a big car. It looks like a bug. She's gonna fly away. It's actually pretty badass. Oh, it's one of those tricycles. Now, you know that you're a very important guest when they put a rug over just a random cord like that? You know that, like, you're something. You made it in life. They put this for you. Look at that. That looks like a moth. Doesn't it look like a moth, you guys? Look at it. This looks like some kind of a butterfly or some kind of a bug. Like buzz. Like a bumblebee. But enormous size. And today we're going to preview for you Mercedes GLE Coupe 2016. The front. You can see beautiful detailing. I'm practicing my speech, you guys. You see silver polished handles. We're going to get in. It's very convenient. Enough room, enough height for your head not to bump into it. You have a lit up paddles underneath. All the handles are matte plastic on top. Then you have your controllers for the seat. The wheel is nice and flexible as well. Of course, you get the logo Mercedes. Then you get buttons. They will work with the computer. Buttons also for voice control, from mute and volume up down, pick up the call. Then you have speedometers here. Then you have your wipers. These new Mercedes, they do not come with a speed stick. Instead, what they have is the stick behind the wheel right here. So you would go in the park, then you would go in reverse, neutral, and then drive. So this way you nicely have an extra storage for cup holders or ashtray and such, and plug in instead of having a handle here. Okay, so for the remote control we have a wheel that moves right here, as well as a touchpad that will react on the screen. We have a wonderful panoramic roof top here, spacious back seat, and of course adjustable seats. So this is it for our tour of the GLE 450 Coupe by Mercedes-Benz. Thank you so much for participating. Alright, you guys, so this is it for this touring of the event, of the car show. We come here almost every year, and it's always pretty cool to sit in luxurious cars that you cannot afford. I think majority of people here are the people who can't afford it, so they just come in to just kind of sit in them and get the feel of the rich life and dream of the possibilities. Confidence that costs so much. All right, so
that's it. Nothing else.
Bye.
Have a great time. Go check out your auto show.
Yes. Look who we found on the way to the Ice Fest. Deer. A whole herd of them. Look at that. Hi, dear. Well, there they run. Bye. Have a good Saturday. Hi guys, so today we're in Frederick, Maryland, and we're attending an ice sculpture festival. So it's very exciting. Let's go see some ice sculptures. And we have a bear. We have a flying pig. And I think you can pour something through it. But this one's definitely for me. Drink wine. Make peace. The one for Maryland brewed beer. Brewed in Maryland, Flying Dog. And the sign for for this year, a monkey. Look what kind of car we found and who was in it. Look at these cute things. Yes. Oh my god.
Charlie's favorite, look at that.
I'm having a little bit of a breakdown right now.
Look.
I'm so walking in.
What are you talking?
Okay guys, the festival is a little bit crowded for us at this time. So we're just gonna head out, but it was amazing here. We had a great time.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Sold out.